Hello friend, this is Pankaj and you're watching Profit Techno YouTube channel. So in this video, I'll teach you how you can build a professional and good looking the simple contact form and inquiry form. Okay, so we will use the two plugins. First is WP form and the second is page builder Elementor. Okay, so this is a simple form. The first form which we created for you, this is simple form, simple inquiry form, name, email, phone number and comment. That's it. Okay, here is a text we have just given on the left hand side, and this is the right hand side. We have just given the form beautiful, and after that you can also download the this is the background image. You can, if you want to download, you can also download. And the second form is the inquiry form. Okay, so if someone is selling the products on their websites, and the visitor there on the visitor, they want to make an inquiry for the same products which they are selling, and this is the inquiry form which we have just given that. If I take example of my company, we are selling the web hosting and the website plan. Okay, so this is the form, I just built according to my company which I am selling that. Okay, so like the person can fill their name, email address, leave their phone numbers, choose their plan and define their industry. And if they have a domain, like domain names, if they have domain name, they can also mark it yes or no. And if they have additional information, they can also give them some information and they can submit the button. Okay, so once they will submit the button, the person who is looking after the websites, and they will get the inquiry form and they will get in touch directly to the customer. Okay, so these are the inquiry form which we are going to build in this video from scratch level. Okay, so I would request you to, if you are interested to build the same contact form, or you can if you have other requirement, you can also give the comment. And if you want to build the same form, like this is the inquiry form, this is a simple contact form, then you can just watch the complete video. I'll teach you in step by step. Okay, so let's start the video. Okay friends, so let's create the simple contact page and the inquiry form. The first of all, we will going to create this one page, this one the simple contact form, then we will create the inquiry form. Okay, so let's create the pages. Okay, so remember you have to install the two plugin, the WP form and the page builder Elementor. So I have it already installed and just going to create without wasting of time. Let's start the video. So click on the plus icon, choose the section 1. Okay, so you can see the 6 dot, click on 6 dot, go to style, click on classic, choose the image, this one. Okay, so click on 9 dots, go to advanced, delete the padding, top padding will be 80 and the bottom padding will be 80 also. Okay, so in this section we're just going to create the add new column. So click on you can see this the added column button, right click on the button and click on add new column. Okay, so now we have two columns. We will create the one more column, click on add new column. Okay, so now we have a 3 columns. So click on this button, the added columns, and make it the layout should be, column width should be 35, and the first column, click on edit layout, under layout the column width should be 55. Okay, so now it's click on update. Okay, so friends, now we have a 3 columns. Okay, so first we will design this right column and this one the form area, then we will design the left area. Okay, so let's start to design this form. Okay, so to design this form, just click on 9 dots and type for WP form. So WP forms by EA. Okay, so drag and drop to the right column, select the column, select the form which you have designed. I have just chosen the simple contact form. So in this video we are not going to cover how you can design the WP form from dashboard from WordPress. Okay, so for that we have just created a separate video. I have given the link and I also given the link on the I button. Okay, so you can watch that video. Okay, so the first of all, you can see there is no title, so just need to remove this title. So under the title, here is a show. Click on hide. Okay, the title has been removed now. So now what to do? We will create the similar form like this. First of all, we will just create this line. Okay, so how you can do that? So just go to style. Okay, click on from container, and you can see the border type. The border type should be groove, and click on delink this padding. Under the bottom, type 2. Okay, so click on update. Okay, now you can see the line over here, and we have to change the text color and the text font. Okay, so how you can do that? Go to labels. Under the text color, click on color and choose the white color. On the typography, now the text has been changed into white color, and you can also make that you can also change the font family. Click on this pencil, and under the family, type the monstrate font. Okay, MONSERRAT. You can also make it thick. Choose the weight 400. Click on update. Okay, so now what we have done, we have just made this line, and we have just changed our the text color and the text font family. Okay, so now we have to make that transparent. Okay, so how you can do that? Go to input and text area. Okay, so under the background, under the normal button, choose the background color and make it, you have to just drag to the left. Okay, so now our form has been transparent just like this. Okay, so now the only thing is left, this button. So we need to give the shape of this button just like this. Okay, so how you can do that? Go to the submit button. The first of all, we need to give the shape, the full width. Okay, so click on under the width, click on full width. Okay, so the background color, you need to just drag to the left. I have already done that. Fine. And you can also give the shape. Click on border type, solid. Under the width, type 1. Okay, now you can see the border on the around the button. Okay, so now go to the hover, change the background color. So whenever someone click over here, and the text color should be black and the background color should be white. Okay, so let's change the background color. So under the background color, click on white, and text color should be black. Okay, so now the persons, however the button and the text color and the background color, the automatic change. Okay, now click on update. Okay, so now we have 3 columns. The only thing is left, we have to insert the WP form. Okay, so this is the same design which we are going to create. So let's copy and paste. Click on WP form, copy, and here paste. Okay, now the same WP form has been inserted, but we here is a inquiry form. Okay, but we need to change the form. So click on this pencil and choose the another form. Okay, click on update. Okay friends, so now we have just created our 2 forms. The first of all, we have just created this simple contact form, and this is the inquiry form. Okay, so we have just created this form. If you want to download the image, that this is the background image, we have just given that. If you want the same image, okay, so you can do that. You can go to our website, This is the profitechno.com, our website. You can go to blog. I have just posted the blog for the same query, and you can see this how to create WP contact form and inquiry form using Elementor. Click on this button. Okay, here you will get this form, inquiry form, this simple contact form which we just created right away, and you can download the image under the form. Okay, the same background image you can download over here by click over here. Okay, here you can download the image, this image. Okay, and the same this background image we have just given over here, you can download it. Okay, so I hope you enjoy this video and you understand how you can build the beautiful contact form by using the Elementor and WP form. Okay, so if you have any question, please comment us. We will definitely answer your query. And please don't forget to subscribe our channel to watch the another amazing videos. Okay, so and please also like and share. Thank you very much for watching. Thanks a lot.